Good day, everyone. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Give Asia and to all those who supported the campaign of my granddaughter, Mary Leona Ariana Ipalumpon. Your continuous support has brought joy to our family in helping us raise funds for her operation. As her schedule for open heart surgery at the Philippine Heart Center Hospital approaches on February 28, 2025, we are struggling to raise the necessary funds. The total cost for the procedure is approximately 578,220, but this amount may increase if complications arise during the surgery, which includes cone repair and glen shunt. We are in urgent need of an emergency funds. We hope that you can assist us. Thank you very much. Sincerely, Lourdes C. Ilero.